हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो में जो हमारा सीक्वेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सीक्वेंस ऑफ बी ए फाइनल फर्स्ट फर्स्ट पेपर हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। इन दैट सीक्वेंस today's topic is metaphysical poetry. That is very important and definitely it will definitely come in your exam, so prepare it better. Let's start this video. Metaphysical poetry. First of all, meaning of the term metaphysical. The term metaphysical was first used by Dryden in his assessment of the poetry of John Donne. Later on, the term was popularized by Dr. Samuel Johnson in his book Lives of the Most Eminent English Poets. In the book, he wrote about a group of the 17th century British poets whose writing style was different than the others. Then he make a list of them, including John Donne, George Herbert, Richard Cashew, Henry Wagam, and Marvell. In the presence of these writers, Dr. Johnson says the metaphysical poets were of learning, and to show their learning was the whole endeavor. The center quality of the metaphysical poet is that they tried best to make the poetry as absurd, deep, and mysterious as possible. Language is very simple. You can easily understand. If you face any difficulty, then you may say I will explain in Hindi. Ahead of in sequence, the term is made of two words. Meta means beyond and physical means physical word. So it means anything that is beyond the physical world. Characteristics of the metaphysical poetry. The first is intellectual. Metaphysical poets were men of high intellect. For example, lovers are holy sant. Second characteristic is that brief and intense meditation. Metaphysical poetry is considered to be the brief, intense, and concise. There is no wastage of words. For example, lovers' tears are newly minted coins. Third characteristic is use of bit irony, conceit, pun, and paradoxes. By using bit irony, conceit, pun, and paradoxes, comparison is made between two very unlike things. Very unlike things. That is the unique quality of the metaphysical poets. So it is very easy. You may easily understand. Fourth characteristic is originality. All the metaphysical poets were unique and original in their ideas and thoughts. They didn't follow the path of their contemporary poets. Fifth characteristic is platonic love. Platonic love is another feature of metaphysical poetry. Platonic love means spiritual love which is free from physical love. Argumentative. The poems are argumentative to prove their ideas. Colloquial. Metaphysical poets employed on diction in the poetry. They mostly used informal language. Theme of metaphysical poems: love, God, soul, freedom, existence, spirituality, etc. All these themes are very important for metaphysical poets and for their poems. Here you are watching one thing, that is colloquial. Colloquial means a group of words which is unique and that use in the metaphysical poems. Mostly in poems, the poets use difficult words. That is diction. A group of words which is different from simple language. We can say this. So